Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we have an exciting topic for you all. We'll be diving into the world of smart home security systems and revealing 5 surprising hacks to test just how secure your system really is. Safety and peace of mind are paramount, so let's make sure your smart home is well protected. Before we begin, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you never miss out on our future content. Let's get started. First things first, let's understand the basics of a smart home security system. It consists of various interconnected devices that offer enhanced security and convenience. From smart cameras and doorbell cameras to motion sensors and smart locks, these systems provide protection from intruders and keep you informed about any unusual activities around your home. Now, here's a surprising hack. Keep your smart home security system's firmware updated. Manufacturers regularly release firmware updates to patch vulnerabilities and improve performance. Hackers often exploit outdated firmware to gain unauthorized access to your devices. So ensure you regularly check for updates and keep your system secure. Your passwords are like the keys to your smart home kingdom. Surprisingly, many people overlook the importance of strong, unique passwords. Avoid using default passwords or easily guessable ones. Instead, create complex combinations with a mix of upper and lowercase letters, numbers, and symbols. This will make it much harder for hackers to break into your system. Did you know that your Wi-Fi network is the gateway to your smart home? A hack to test your system's security is to ensure your Wi-Fi network is encrypted with WPAT2 or WPAT3. Change the default network name, SID, to something unique and avoid sharing your Wi-Fi password with everyone. These steps will add an extra layer of protection to your smart home. Last but not least, activate two-factor authentication whenever possible. 2. Factor authentication requires an additional verification step, such as a fingerprint scan or a unique code sent to your phone, making it much harder for unauthorized users to access your accounts and devices. Thanks for joining us today. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. And remember, security is an ongoing process, so stay vigilant and keep improving your defenses. For more exciting content, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell icon. Until next time, take care and stay secure. The tips and suggestions provided in this video are meant to enhance the security of your smart home. However, no security system is entirely foolproof. Always stay informed about the latest security measures and consult with a professional if you have specific security concerns.